Welcome to Goat and Raven's Homestead Adventures.
Good morning. On the road this morning. On a beautiful morning. I better pay attention. I got to cut off up here in a minute. Raven, what are we going to do this morning?
We're going to pick up something for our little farm.
Well, maybe how about Mr. Road? No, what's up here? Anyway, yeah, we got I think we got too many things on the griddle this morning. We got a lot going on, and sorry about it. We're on some back roads here and
Very bumpy.
But anyway, going to pick something up this morning. Just want to start off thanking everybody for watching our video, and today is going to be another adventure. So stand by, and you never know what we're going to get into, folks. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man?
So, this is the new addition to the homestead.
Yeah, we went and got us a little Pyrenees. He'll be a big Pyrenees. Like I said, we had cow problems, and we went to a farmer up a little north of us, and he had some pups, and got us one. This is our first Pyrenees, but Lord, what a name that Raven has put up on this dog. His name is Colonel George Jessup O'Neill. I don't know. This dog's gonna have a complex, I'm pretty sure.
He's a big dog. He needs a big name.
Well, we named him Jessup after the real Colonel Jessup. That's, if you know, you know. But anyway, he's gonna be our guardian dog. Fixing to introduce him. The gentleman that we bought him from had he was running with cows and chickens already, so he's already got that part done. He got a little car sick on us on the way back, but that's all right. But this is our new addition, something else to feed. There's Jessup with his herd. He's checking it out, and that's how it starts. You just introduce them slowly, and now they're scared of him right now, but in time, he will become part of their pack, and he will defend them. That's the hope. But anyway, Jessup's on duty. Ain't that right, Colonel?
He's growling at him. How cute.
Are you going to defend him or eat him? Oh, man. No, this is home, buddy. This is home. It'll all work out. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing, Jessup? What are you doing, Jessup? Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy. Good boy.
Of course, here's Fionn.
Fionn? I think it's
Bone.
Fionn.
Fionn. I don't know why I said that. Bone.
Ethel and Wiley, and now we got Jessup. Lord have mercy.
Bone's always like, I want a close up. She's like, are you feeding me something? They're like, are you feeding me something?
Look at her, boy. She's gonna be in life. She's close. All right, Mama, it's time to get busy on the project. Span that thing over here. Well, what we was gonna do today is I used to have a catch system for water. That way we use rainwater for our livestock in our garden. And I added a little addition on to put my tractor in, and I took it off, and I didn't redo it. And yes, it's going to be redneck as it gets, because you're going to see the parts I got to use. It's just old PVC pipe that I bartered for. They needed eggs, and I traded eggs for pipe. And you can ask my wife. She said if she wasn't tied down, I'd trade her. But I do barter a lot. I like to do that. Both parties get something they can use. But anyway, everything I got, minus the screws, was just the cost of a few packs of eggs. Anyway, we'll do some little short shots on it and get ready to put it in place.
We're on.
Hey, what we doing here? You might film me falling off a ladder. And I know I could have cut this a lot better, but the gentleman I traded with had some 4-inch PVC pipe. I took them on a bandsaw, and boy, they ain't straight. I'll tell you that. What happened, we screw this up and we do a drop down for the step, and our water catch barrel will be on the other end, and we're gonna plumb a line into the chicken coop, and after today, hopefully, goats and chicken will all be intermeshed in the field together. So we're gonna start getting this up. Raven's gonna come and help me hold up one end until I get started, and we'll go from there. All right, hang on a second. Let me get one real quick right here, and that should hold it.
Just be careful.
I should have brought you a stick, and you could have held it up there with a stick. I got it.
You sure?
Yeah, we got the little pitch on this.
Well,
But,
I was fixing to say, can I
oh
hold
yeah, take that pipe.
Put it up there and get it?
Oh, yeah, just put it up against it. Like that. Alright, this one's about to pull out. What I'm afraid of. You wanna have to get longer screws, I'm afraid. Alright, you want that? You want that?
Sure.
Definitely gonna have longer screws than that. But that's what we're gonna do there. Let me get some longer screws. Have to have it. Alright. That's good on it. It's gonna work good. We'll just put our slope down through there, each level. We'll get down there, we'll do a turn down, put it right in the catch system, and supposed to rain tonight, so have some water. Alright, I gotta get some longer screws.
Like I said though, he's already having to change the screws out. We just got started. All right.
Y'all can hear Jessup is really, really happy to be in the pen. We put him in there with the goats, but he went through the fence. So we're having to put him somewhere. Go ahead and get that other pipe, Mama, and I'll let you hold. I got it. Go ahead. What we're doing here, if she's got the angle right, this is where the two pieces meet. So what I'm going to do is put this one back here, and that's actually going to help get my drop down through there. So that's the plan. Alright. That's too much drop. So we're going to do it the other way then. Go ahead and just walk down there. There you go. We'll do it. Something like that then. That's fine. I'll move it here in a minute. Of course, I've got everything undone. You know, I don't ever get stuff ready. I just wing it as I go. Well, I'll tell you what, Jessup is not happy. I need to at least be right there.
He is definitely being a crybaby right now.
Well, it's on you, Tootie. He'll be alright. I think I cried when I got out of my mama's room too. That's what they said. I don't remember, but
I can't imagine it.
so what we did, the other metal screws we had was too short, so I took the washers off of metal screws and put them on my longer decking screws so I can get the bite I need there. Well, I tell you what, I may have too much drop. I may have to undo this and raise it back up a little bit. Blue man, you got what you got there? Oh well. Here, let's go back down for a minute, Mom.
Yeah.
There you go, I got. Boy, the sounds of a dog.
Why do you think it's too much drop?
Say what?
Why is it too much drop?
Well, if I took too much drop, the time I get down there, I ain't gonna have nothing to screw to. You want a gradual drop.
Okay.
I think that went right back in the same hole. I don't know how to fix that. That ain't gonna work either. Safety glasses? That'll give me a little better angle on the screw point there. These are not just sunglasses, they're anti-approved, thank you. I know, where's your ear protection? I can't hear anyway, so just covering all the bases.
He lost that a long time ago. I think the Colonel's got the chickens tore up and everything.
How you doing?
They usually don't make this much noise themselves. They're usually quiet too.
Everybody, well, the noise too. Alright, let's try it again now. Mom. Go ahead and get your hole.
Got it?
Yeah. Alright, come on, please. Alright, right there. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. I'm gonna move that about right there. Once we get this up, the other part's gonna be a little easier, hopefully. I bet I hope so. Alright, come in a little bit.
I can't move
I
it.
got it.
I can't move it at all.
Man, neighbor's gonna think we killing something over there on me. Alright, good shot. Perfect. Let me get one more over there, Mama. And then we can let you let go.
It's not like it's a
This
hard
or,
job. I like this.
yeah, this ought to be at least sustained 6 mile an hour wind. Birdhouse had 4, we're 6 on this.
We're moving out?
I hope y'all having a good Saturday. We've had a blast so far.
Yeah.
It's a little chilly today, but it's good working weather. Alright, we're down there. I'm going to hot little of it. Right now. I'm going to push this to ever get it to work. Oh, there's a big gap filled down there. Right there, right there. Right there. Push it up. Alright, let me get it. I'd have thought, I'd have got some 6-inch screws and went through both sides. But like Raven says, I can complicate anything. Oh, that was more. Well, we're not looking around right.
Clean what up.
That's all right. I need you. Well, as you can see, it ain't pretty, but neither are we. And you can tell, you see the different colors of metal on the back of our little barn? It's because this was free. As a guy built a house and this was the cover metal for his metal, he asked me if I want it. We even closed our whole barn in on the northwest sides where we get most of our winds from with metal we didn't pay nothing for. But we've got our catch system down through here and we put it on a slope. So hopefully we got to go in and set this back up on blocks and get it situated. Chicken pen dry here. We're gonna put a water system where I can water the chickens or the garden. Anyway, gutters up. Well, good afternoon. It's afternoon now, Raven.
Yeah.
And she said, I told her that we had to get that knocked out. Well, one thing led to another, and it's been all day. You can tell we're tired. But we did get it finished. We got our lines run down the back of the barn with a catch system, and we plumbed in where we got a line directly to our chicken coop where we can just open the valve and fill their water up from here, and then the other one will turn, and we'll go back and we'll use a longer hose to water our garden. Supposed to rain tonight, so hopefully we get some rain in there, but I know it's tired, but you know.
Well, we wasn't expecting that we were going to have to clean the inside of the water thing out because it was so nasty. It had a lot of algae and stuff in it, so we got all that cleaned out and everything before we done it.
And I dropped a dead rat in it.
Yeah, after we got it cleaned out.
So
yeah,
it's just it's typical goat. That's what she said. And it's still a great day. It gets so frustrating sometimes, but you know what? It still leaves other projects. And if we get a rain tonight, starting tomorrow, we don't have to pay for water for our animals. That's our goal. We used to do that and got out of it for a year or two, watered our gardens with it. But anyway, not a huge accomplishment, but our accomplishment. So
yeah, with it coming summer, you really want to have as much as you can on saving water.
Yes, because that's when your animals. We got a creek down there, and it's just hard to access it. The animals to it. We have looked at that, but still, and this is handy for us. It works. It worked out a couple years ago. But anyway, Raven, you got anything else to add?
I think that's it.
Well, I'll tell you what. Thank y'all so much. Don't forget to
Like,
share and subscribe. We'll just say it together. And you know, we know it's not exciting, but it's just little projects like this. And maybe I know people could do it a different way. We used the old pipe that we had and just plumbed everything in. And we got probably a few leaks we have to work on, but that's okay too.
yeah. You know, we just try to always use everything we have around here. If we have it, we try to utilize it.
Yep. And we're getting ready to put Jessup up for the night, and he won't be happy, but he's been running around laying with us all day, getting to know us. And I say it's a good day, Mom. I'm not tiresome, but a good day. And I'm gonna work a little bit later. Raven's ready to get back in the house.
Yeah. I sit all day. I have a desk job. I'm exhausted.
Well, I wish I did, but anyway, I want to try to get my chickens opened up into pasture. That shouldn't take 2 minutes. I'll probably be in after midnight.
Yeah.
You know, it's just now 4 o'clock. I should be in at least by midnight.
Exactly.
But no kidding. Well, listen, thank y'all again so much. Have a blessed day, and just always just make the best out of a bad situation, because I've had to. I always have. Y'all have a good evening.